Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing the unable to connect to Rockstar Game Services error in Red Dead Redemption 2, don't worry, I've got you covered with some quick and easy fixes. Let's get started. First, let's rule out any server issues. Head over to Rockstar's official website or check Twitter for any updates about server outages. If it's a server issue, there's nothing you can do except wait for them to fix it. Next, completely close the game and the Rockstar launcher. Wait a few seconds, then reopen both. Sometimes this simple restart clears up connection issues. Now make sure your internet connection is stable. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi. A weak or unstable connection could be the cause. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus might block the connection. Try temporarily disabling them and see if you can log in. Don't forget to turn them back on afterward. And that's it. Try these steps and hopefully you'll be back online in no time. If this worked for you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you next time.